Hi, today I will show how to crochet simple leaf. First, we know how big leaf we want to make, and then we crochet. I make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we keep this chain and we crochet in that chain. Simple crochet. Next chain, we crochet double crochet like that. Next chain, we crochet double crochet. Next chain, we crochet half crochet like that. Next chain, we crochet half crochet. Next chain, we crochet half crochet. Next chain, we make 2 yarn. Next chain, same. Next chain, we make same. Next chain, we crochet half crochet. Next chain, we crochet half crochet. Next, we crochet half crochet. Two chain here, we crochet double crochet. One chain, we crochet single crochet. And then we crochet same chain, one single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then we work around. Single crochet, and next chain we work same this row, double crochet. Next chain, double crochet. Next chain, half crochet. Next chain, half crochet. Next chain, half crochet. And then 3 crochet here. Next chain, we crochet half crochet. Next, we crochet half crochet, half crochet, double crochet, and single crochet. We can finish the leaf like that, it's okay too, but me, I want to make one more single crochet around and make for leaf very strong more. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and work around. After we work around beginning, and then we make 3 or 4 chain, and then we finish. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you next video.